If your TCL Roku TV isn't working properly, a reset can help fix it. In this video, I will show you how to reset a TCL Roku TV using safe, at-home methods with or without the remote, without opening the TV or doing anything risky. First, let's start with the factory reset using the remote, which is the recommended method. Take your Roku remote and press the home button to open the main screen. From there, go into Settings, then select System. After that, open Advanced System Settings and choose Factory Reset. Now, select Factory Reset Everything. You will see a code on the screen, and once you enter that code, the reset will begin. The TV will restart automatically, and after it finishes rebooting, it will take you back to the setup screen. Now, if you don't have the remote, you can reset the TCL Roku TV using the reset button on the TV itself. Most TCL Roku TVs have a small reset button on the back or on the side, and it is usually inside a tiny hole. Use a paperclip, pin, or pen to press the button and hold it down. While you are holding the button, the TV will turn off. Keep holding it until the TCL Roku logo appears on the screen. Once the TV turns back on, you can release the button. The TV may reboot more than once, which is normal. After the reboot process is complete, the TV will open to the initial setup screen. If you are having trouble finding the reset button, there is another reset method you can try. Turn the TV off and unplug it from the power outlet. Wait a short moment, then plug the TV back in. While the TV is powering on, press and hold the physical power button on the TV if your model has one. This method can help trigger the reset process on some TCL Roku TV models. Before you finish, it's important to know what a factory reset does. A factory reset will erase all data, apps, and settings on the TV. After the reset is complete, you will need to sign in again and set up the TV from the beginning. That's it for this video on how to reset a TCL Roku TV. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you reset your TV and get it working properly again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful tech tips. If you have any questions or if one of these reset methods worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.